Let's get into the mind of a seller. So, if I'm a seller and I'm gonna be selling my house right now, what contract am I going to take? Am I gonna take the contract which is 100% financing and no money down? Or am I gonna take an FHA contract where there could potentially be repairs to the house that are required by the property appraiser? Or am I gonna take the conventional contract who's putting down 20% with a high credit score and the appraisal really doesn't matter? It's just not as strict as an FHA or another contract that you can do 100% financing. These are the things you have to think of as a buyer. Get into the seller's mind on what kind of contract the seller is going to take. And then, if I'm the seller, am I going to take a contract from a buyer where the lender called me and went over the buyer's finances? Or am I going to take a contract from an online lender like the Bank of Alaska? Why am I telling you this? I want you to equip yourself with the best loan decisions possible to ensure that your offer stands out among the rest. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.